This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make scrambled eggs with cheddar cheese. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 to 3 large eggs per person, 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk or cream for a richer texture, and about 1/4 cup of freshly grated sharp cheddar cheese. Don't forget a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get mixing. Crack your eggs into a bowl, add the milk or cream, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Whisk everything together until the yolks and whites are fully combined and slightly frothy. Next, place a non-stick pan over medium-low heat. Once warm, add about 1 teaspoon of butter, letting it melt and coat the bottom of the pan evenly. This prevents sticking and adds flavor. It's time to cook. Pour your egg mixture into the prepared pan. Let it sit undisturbed for about 30 seconds until the edges begin to set. Then, using a rubber spatula, gently push the cooked egg from the edges towards the center, allowing the uncooked egg to flow underneath. Continue this gentle folding motion. When the eggs are mostly set but still slightly wet, fold in your grated cheddar cheese. Cook for another 15 to 20 seconds until melted. Your delicious cheesy scrambled eggs are ready. Remove them from the heat as soon as the cheese is melted and the eggs are cooked to your desired consistency. Overcooking can make them rubbery. Serve them immediately with toast, bacon, or whatever you love. They're perfect for a quick breakfast or a comforting brunch. For more great tips and deals, including a link to those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, check the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.